Hello guys, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to monitor air quality using your smartphone. So this is a very simple procedure. What you'll do, open up your Google Maps. So once you open up your Google Maps, you have to look for that area that you want to monitor the air quality. So for this case, I want to be monitoring the air quality of Atlanta state, that's in USA. So I'll come here, then I search for Atlanta, and as you can see, this is the Atlanta state. Now to monitor the air quality or the air quality of this state, I'll just tap on this icon over here. Once I tap on that icon, it will bring some options. Now the last option over here is air quality. So you tap on that option, and as you can see, it has now showed me the air quality. So point to note is that from 0 to 50 over here, that air quality is extremely good. So from 50 to 100, which is yellow, it's fair. Then from 150, from 100 to 150, it's a bit fair, but it's not that good. Then from 200 up to 500, it's totally bad and extremely bad air quality. So for Atlanta, I'm seeing it's yellow. As you can see, it's yellow almost everywhere. It's yellow. So that means Atlanta's air quality is average. It's not that good, but it's average. As you can see in other states over here, like in Huntsville, it's totally green. So that means the air quality of Huntsville is extremely good. Thanks for watching. We shall meet once again.